Hi everyone, my name is Epe Town, and of course I'm a realtor and partner with the Land Revand, and today we are here for Isimi Lagos allocation. Okay, I have my client here, and I'm also representing about 5 of my clients also to get theirs, and I'm very excited. Of course, clients are able to take physical possession and they can proceed to build on their structures because we have a sample unit here for them to build on. Okay, so of course, anytime I'm coming to Isimi Lagos, I'm excited just because Isimi is just everything, the very first wellness city in Lagos, Nigeria. So I'm excited to be here, and ensure you stay here and watch all of the activities, everything exciting that we're bringing your way.
A lot, and I'm excited.
And when I asked, they told me it's the Polo Turf. So that means not quite long from now, just like the one behind me. Yeah, so there's going to be a lodge for people or the residents of Isimi Lagos.
I'm Telma Malaka. It's a pleasure. It's a good day. It's a privilege. We've looked forward to seeing this day where at least we can see the land for ourselves. Quite a small piece, 250 square meters, you might say. But I just kind of envision and imagine what in another, say, 10 years, what this place will look like. It will look like, for me, I think a very beautiful, lovable community will come out of this place. That's my prayer. That's my wish. That's my desire. In a country like ours, we need a resting place. Like the word goes, Isimi. I pray especially that this name will go with this estate. A place where people will rest. I mean, when you get home, you are happy and you are not even too anxious to leave home. Everything about Isimi looks nice. I mean, you talk about the breeze, you talk about the coolness, you talk about nature, you talk about, I mean, it's obvious that you are going to have people of like minds, because it's like anybody coming here is looking for the same thing. To God be the glory. I'm happy.
Amazing investors, beautiful day to you, and welcome again to the LandDeyNaija channel. Today we did the second phase of allocation right here in Isimi Lagos for clients who have completed full payments for their land just after the allocation. This is an update on what is going on right now in Isimi Lagos. This is the lodge, and the lodge is series of apartments that are already sold. So this is not in the market for sale. This has already been sold out. We are just commencing construction right here in Isimi Lagos. Another update that you would love to see is the Polo Turf. Remember that Isimi Lagos is the first wellness city in Lagos, Nigeria, and this means that this is your one-stop shop for relaxation, for tourism, for wellness, for tech, everything natural. And here we are maintaining the natural elements of this soil. So imagine a premium vacation hub. Just imagine a premium vacation hub where you have access to nature, access to good and sane environment. That is what is going to be happening in Isimi Lagos, okay? Part of the amenities that we promise subscribers, and we call them citizens, yes, the Isimi citizens. We are going to have the Amphitheater, Tech Villa, Grey City. We're also going to have Polo Turf. And remember that Isimi Lagos, you can come into Isimi Lagos in 3 ways: via your regular roads, of course, like I did this morning, or you can come in through the waterways, or you can fly in here, via the helipad. So, as away from the update on the lodge, I want to show you the update on the Polo Turf, because we have started a bit of work on the Polo Turf, which, by the way, is part of, the amenities that would be in this very rich community. You need to see the kind of clients who subscribe into this estate. These are the 1% of the 1%, because Isimi Lagos is not a mass market. It's not for everyone. It's for exclusive and the elite and the 1% of the 1% in Nigeria. Okay, so enjoy this update. So away from the lodge, which is the first update I brought your way, this is the Olympic-size swimming pool for citizens of Isimi Lagos. So there are many things we promised you in this amazing estate. You're going to have an Olympic-sized swimming pool, you have an amphitheater, you have your farm shop, you have the Polo Turf, you have the golf course. So Isimi is your one-stop shop, like I said earlier, for everything wellness, fitness, lifestyle. There's a Polo Turf going on, which I will show you in a bit. So there's going to be polo tournaments, horse riding, gymming, everything you need. So we have lots of clients who are looking to retire soon, who are aged. This is where they envision spending the rest of their life here, where it's super easy for them to have access to nature, to seamless environment, zero emissions, zero pollution, and they can just live their lives in peace away from the bustling Lagos City. So we have lots of clients who have keyed into this place. Another thing you should consider if you're looking to buy into this estate basically is the network of people, the caliber of people who are going to be your close neighbors. Isimi is in different clusters. We have Origin, we have the Emergence, we have Green Colony, we have the Village. All of these clusters are bought by, should I say, the cream de la cream, the 1% of the, of the elites who are buying into this place. So it tells you that this place is not just for the masses, it's not for everyone. It's for people who value luxury, who see luxury as something they should invest in, and who are looking to enjoy a long time of retirement in peace and, in wellness. So let me take you to the Polo Turf. So right here is the Polo Turf. Okay, we are going to be having polo tournaments here very soon, okay, and also lots of horse riding activities are going to be happening here, and this is also part of the infrastructure that is coming to the renowned Isimi Lagos. Okay, so what's not to love about this wellness city? Everything is thoughtfully put in place to not just give you the benefits of a healthy lifestyle living, also put together to ensure that you have value for your money. And Isimi Lagos is still very much in the market, obviously, but at a very premium price. So if you're looking to key into this estate, we have 300 square meter available at 90 million. Yes, 90 million naira. And we have 500 square meter available at 150 million. But the great thing is you have up to 2 years to make your payments. Okay, once you have a 30% down payment, you can spread your payments for up to 2 years, 90 million for 300 square meter and 150 million for 500 square meter. So this is just an update, right, for you. We have done the second stage of allocation. There's going to be another allocation that will come in by the end of the month. So if you're looking to actually commence your building, you can, okay? We have a sample unit here on ground for you to look at and, build yours. And another thing is that if you're looking to build here, you're not going to build on everything. You're going to leave a landmass for your gardens, because we believe and we anticipate that citizens of Isimi will eat just fresh foods, consume fresh juices, and everything fresh. So you ensure that you live longer, healthier, and happier. It also has a CFO, so you have absolutely nothing to worry about. We're also going to have a tech villa. We're going to have an amphitheater. We're going to have the golf course. And don't forget that we still have a helipad here. So get in touch with me. Should you? Shouldn't you rather jump on this offer right now? I look forward to hearing from you. So guys.